Well, the biggest difference is clearly that most modern family offices are self-made. It's not inherited wealth. In the past, it was almost exclusively inherited wealth. Generally, yes. Inherited money has historic expectations of lifestyles and all kinds of things. New money is probably prepared to take greater risks, probably prepared to go into new areas where more traditional money won't go. And it is much more dynamic. The difference also is whether there is still an existing business or if it's just accumulated capital. So some businesses, some families still have huge businesses they're running, which throw off enormous amounts of dividends. Other people, they've sold the business, they've gone public, whatever, they cashed out, and they are simply managing the money they have. Well, they're an excellent conduit. I mean, this is a place where people can feel safe. It's a place where people can meet other families, different generations. You can listen to presentations and pitches, and not just presentations and pitches. I think increasingly in the family world, people want to look at a wider scope, levels of interest. So if you've accumulated wealth, you may want to look at luxury items, you may want to look at specialist items. They may be philosophical, they may be philanthropic, they may be health related. There's a whole broad range of things now that are the focus of families, particularly second and third generations. First generation makes it, second generation wants to save the world. And third generation usually loses it all.
I had to laugh because I do see it an awful lot. I just think on that, I'd like to add in, it's a little bit different here, Colton, with family offices than it is in the States. And for Ian to shed some light on it. I actually find when I've been in the States and when I speak to USA family offices, as you know, I've got a very good network there. And I find that they really encourage and indulge collaboration, and it de-risk obviously the investments they're making. And like for example in New York, I do know quite well the top seven families, and indeed we've been very privileged at our Footprints Family Office conference in the summer to have the top seven with, not all at once, but we have had them, and they all know each other very well and they do collaborate on deals. And I just think, sadly, or I don't know, perhaps Ian could shed some light on that, is that culturally they don't tend, I think it's getting better, but collaboration between family offices is not so, I think, evident as it is in the States.
That's right. I think it's probably a cultural difference. Brits and Europeans are probably somewhere between Americans and Asians. If you go to the Middle East, if you go to Asia, it takes a long time to develop relationships and build up trust. In Europe, it's a bit quicker. America, people come to the bottom line very fast. We've just sorted out our storage business, and we've kept 2 units, which we're going to center of Manhattan, and they're going to turn them into flats. Are you in? You just couldn't do that in Asia. And to a certain extent, you'd have to be far more circumspect in Europe. So the nature by which things happen is driven by the sense of that business culture. American offices are bigger, richer, and have more deal flow. So that is always strongly appealing, with the current exception, and that is I am not making any dollar investments or any US based investments in the current environment. Oh, well, many of the deals I do with other families, and if they know more about a subject than I do, the first thing I do is pick up the phone to them and say, so and so's got on the phone to me this presentation. This is your field of knowledge. What do you think? Would you have a look at it? Because I'm not taking it a stage further till I get if it's outside my range of knowledge, I can use general knowledge, but I don't have specific knowledge. So I'll go to someone who's got specific knowledge that I trust to tell me whether, this is for real or whether I should pass.